while in retirement. We have also partnered with Athletics Kenya and Housing Finance to start a special package, a special product for you to fully benefit from the affordable housing program. And finally, we have introduced a program working together with our banks, Kenya Commercial Bank, National Bank of Kenya, and Cooperative Bank, on financial literacy to help our athletes to manage their finances better, to invest their resources better, so that while the sun shines, you can keep some hay for when it rains. And so I believe that we are doing well. I want to invite all of us to support all these programs. I want to invite partners like Golazo, like Nike. We appreciate the work you are doing to help us develop athletics. We want to invite you to work with government to support all these programs so that we can fully support our athletes. Na wahakikishia wanariadha wetu na wanaspoti wetu kwa jumla ya kwamba serikali ya William Samoei Ruto ina nia, ina azma, ina uwezo wa kuinua hali yenu, and we shall not spare any effort in making sure that we continue in improving your circumstances. Poleni sana kwa kumpoteza mwenzenu, watu wa Chepsamo, Chepkorio, Elgeyo Marakwet. Poleni sana. Mutyo missing. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, let me conclude by saying that all the resources due to Kevin, and the ministry is being very deliberate in documenting anything that was due to Kiptum, due from government, due from agents, due from endorsements, due from management. We shall pursue every single coin and make sure it is put together to the benefit of this family. Your Excellency, I give that assurance. Na nikushukuru Mheshimiwa Rais, in a record 7 days, we have been able to put up a home, 2 houses, both 3-bedroom, 1 3-bedroom house for Asnath and her children, Caleb and Precious, and another 3-bedroom house for Mzee Cheruyot and Mama Mary Kangongo. And that is support from government, and we will continue to stand with this family. It is now my honor and privilege, ninaposema kwaheri, to a boy who has been like a son to me, a boy who really I had a lot of faith in. I was looking forward to Kiptum shattering the 2-hour ceiling in the marathon, and for him to take a bow in the Olympics this summer in Paris. As I say, kwaheri, nasema pole sana na tutasimama na family. Let me now take this opportunity to invite His Excellency, our Prime Cabinet Secretary, to deliver his message of condolence. Asante sana, kongoi missing.